Good afternoon, Team Avon Busy Bees in District 1284, Team Avon on the Bay. Let's welcome a new representative to our team. Welcome, Charity Karam to Avon. We're proud to have you aboard. So far, let's take a look at our boards. They are not final results yet until the campaign closes. But so far we have top in recruits, Miss Amber. Okay. Our top sellers, Tasha Martina, Lisa Deason, Jennifer Elrod, Heather Hutchins, Kaylee Eisen, Amber Parker, Robin Heacock, and Sarah Abraham. And so far we have one very smart cookie, and her name is Jennifer Elrod, and we'll be talking about this person tomorrow on the call. So please make sure that you join our team call tomorrow, 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great day.